Hi, my name is Yanadira Mendez Magana, and I work in the Road to College and Career Department at Uplift Education. Welcome to our new mini-series on all things financial aid and how to make college an affordable option. In today's mini-sode, we will be tackling 5 tips on all things FAFSA. If you follow all these tips, you'll be ready for when the application opens on October 1st. So let's get started. Tip number 1, protect your money. FAFSA stands for the Free Application for Federal Student Aid. Emphasis on free. Don't let anyone fool you into paying money to complete the FAFSA. The one and only website that you should be going to is FAFSA.gov. Not only is this where you're going to fill out your application, but you can find incredible resources on how to financially plan for college in both English and Spanish. Tip number 2, are you eligible? Any student who is a U.S. citizen or an eligible non-resident with a valid Social Security card can actually qualify to receive federal financial aid. If you're a student who's DACA or undocumented, check out our video on the TASFA for information on the Texas application for state financial aid. My third tip is to just do it. Millions of dollars go unused every year from students not completing the FAFSA. And honestly, the FAFSA is literally the only way that you can qualify to receive federal aid, which includes scholarships, grants, work study, and even loans. So just do it. Even if you're one of those students who thinks that your parents make too much, you don't lose anything with applying. So don't forget, the early bird gets the worm. Make sure to complete your application on October 1st or as close to October 1st since that's when the application opens. Tip number 4, understand your family. There is no such thing as a one-size-fits-all when it comes to family. So maybe your parents are divorced or maybe you live with grandma. If that's the case, make sure you go to FAFSA.gov, scroll to FAFSA Apply for Aid, hover over filling out the FAFSA form, and click on Reporting Parent Information. This section will help you understand the more specific type of questions when it comes to your family circumstances. Tip number 5, prepare, prepare, prepare. If you don't want to spend hours and hours of your time completing the FAFSA, make sure you take the time to prepare ahead of time. As you're filling out the 2020 FAFSA, you will be using your 2018 tax documents. You will also need you and your parents' social security numbers, driver's license numbers, and W-2s, as well as current bank statements. And as a student, you can submit up to 10 schools on your FAFSA application, so make sure that you have your college list ready to add. Thanks for watching and investing time into learning more about the financial aid process. Be sure to check out our other videos if you want to learn more.